pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
My overall goal is for every single student to be able to tell a story and do it amazingly and do it without me having to tell them what needs to be done. It's something that just comes second nature to them. TV production is nothing if not fostering relationships and teamwork. If you think you can do it by yourself, you can't. This is definitely a club that you need people to support you, and your team needs to be your core, your rock.
My favorite part about being in TV production is telling a story, but not only that, I'm able to do it with my friends, and I have an amazing teacher who's able to go ahead and teach me everything that I need to know just to tell a story.
Good morning, Pythons. I'm Kelly Sykes, here to interview your favorite SPA staff.
I went to high school here. However, it wasn't Somerset at the time. It was Miami Arts Charter. But I was just very excited to kind of come back to the place where it kind of started for me in my art career. Anytime that I see my students succeed, whether it's in an art competition or contest or just within their individual achievements, that is a win for me as well.
And that's all for today, Pythons. Back to you guys at the studio.
Welcome back to the Slither Report. This week is very special because it's Teacher Appreciation Week. So we're going to go around asking teachers what it's like to be a teacher and how they feel about it. And then we're also going to ask students on how they feel about their teachers and what's their favorite part about them. Let's go.
But my favorite part is seeing the gains, the learning gains that my students have, and just seeing their faces when they realize how much they have grown, how much they have learned, and how proud of themselves they are. That, to me, is more than anything. It means more than anything.
My favorite part about all my teachers is that they genuinely teach me. I understand what they're teaching, and they actually help me on my facts. I've greatly improved.
And that's it for today, Pythons. See you later at the Slither Report. Keep your IDs on, be safe, and see you around the den. Go Pythons!
Hello, and welcome to Questions for Pythons. Now here are your interviews.
What's your name and grade?
My name is Lorraine and I'm in 8th grade.
What's your favorite thing about the school and why?
My favorite thing about the school is my friends because they light up my life.
Hi, what's your name and grade?
My name is Xavier, I'm a freshman.
What's your favorite thing about the school and why?
My favorite thing about this school is probably the events they host because they be having some good events, vendors, and like activities.
That's all for today. See you next time on Questions for Pythons.